Let's learn about if statements. If this is true, then do that. Otherwise, don't do it. That's the core idea of an if statement. If statements make code smarter. They let you do different things in different situations. There are four parts to an if statement. First, you have the keyword if. Then you have the conditional. The conditional is followed by a colon. Finally, you have the body of the if statement indented with 4 spaces. You already learned about writing conditionals, but as a reminder, conditionals are a way to ask questions. Conditional expressions can be variables, comparisons, function calls, combinations of these using and or not, or any Boolean expression. The body of an if statement is a sequence of one or more statements. This body must be indented with 4 spaces. Anything indented below the if keyword is said to be inside the if statement. These indented statements will be executed if the conditional was evaluated to true. Otherwise, Python will skip right over them. If statements can optionally have an else body. If the conditional evaluates to false, then the else will be executed instead of the if body. The if body will literally be skipped over, as if it didn't exist. Only one of the 2 bodies will be executed. Think about your program as a flowing stream. Normally, it will go from top to bottom. An if statement changes that flow to optionally go around. We call that behavior branching. Every time you have another if statement, you have another 2 branches. We have previously shown how you can make a trace table that follows the execution of an if statement. We now have to add an extra column to this table to differentiate between steps and lines. With if statements, it is possible that a step may skip a line of code. Even though the program shown below has 6 lines of code, it only has 4 steps. Notice that on lines with if statements, we still have a step, but we simply repeat the values unchanged.